Let me show you how to hide or unhide photos in your OnePlus 15. So if you go to your gallery, you can select the photo or photos you want to hide and then tap on the three dot button and then choose set as private and then confirm. Now those photos are going to be moved to the private album, which is protected using your privacy password. So they'll disappear from the main gallery. But if you go to albums and then under albums, go to private, tap on that and then access that with your privacy password, you can see all your hidden photos and videos here. And to unhide, simply select the photo or photos and videos you want to unhide and then select unlock. And then you can either return them to the original location or to a new custom location. I'm just going to put mine in the original location and then they disappear from here. And now if I go back to the main gallery, they should be there back. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and good luck.